Namaste and welcome students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today I am going to take second session of chapter 4, Our Clothes. Dear students, in my previous session, I had discussed about the need of clothes. How do we get protection from heat, cold, rain and wind? As you know children, it helps to protect us from dust and dirt also. We had discussed about clothes which we wear in summer season. We have also discussed about the dresses we wear in winter season. Today I am going to discuss about the clothes which we wear in rainy season. We will also discuss about the items which we use to protect in rainy season. Dear students, we wear plastic clothes. What we wear? We wear plastic clothes in rainy season. We wear plastic clothes in rainy season. These clothes are made of plastic and rubber. These clothes are made of what? The clothes are made of plastic and rubber. Children, we wear plastic clothes because these are waterproof. These are waterproof. And children, which prevents us to get wet. यह हमें भीगने से बचाता है, बारिश में भीगने से बचाता है. We can go anywhere, whether school, college, market, office, wearing these plastic clothes. Is not it, children? You also wear plastic clothes or rain suit or raincoat when you come to school in rainy season. जब आप भी रेनी सीजन में स्कूल आते हो तो आप भी रेन सूट या रेन कोट पहन कर आते हो. चिल्ड्रेन, वी यूज एन अम्ब्रेला. वी यूज एन अम्ब्रेला आल्सो चिल्ड्रेन टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम रेनफॉल. These are different types of. There are different types of umbrella available in the market. These umbrellas are of different color and design also. Folding umbrella are also available in the market, and this umbrella is very popular because it is very easy to carry. Children, I am showing you the picture of rain suit and raincoat. I am showing you picture of two friends who are going outside. Who are going outside with umbrella. You can see here that they are enjoying in the rainy season. They are not getting wet. ये लोग बाहर निकल के एंजॉय कर रहे हैं रेनी सीजन में और ये भीग भी नहीं रहे हैं. क्यों? चिल्ड्रेन, they have worn, you can say, plastic coat, boot and gloves, caps and umbrella also they are keeping with themselves. Colorful umbrella, you can see the picture of colorful umbrella. So they are getting protection from rainfall. They are enjoying in the rainfall. So children, we wear plastic clothes in rainy season to protect ourselves in the rainy season. Children, we also wear silk clothes. We also wear silk clothes. Children, these clothes are very comfortable and makes us smart. But do you know, children, where do we get silk? We get silk from, we also get silk from silkworm. From where do we get silk? We get silk from silkworm. You can see here silkworms and then thread of silk. Children, now we shall discuss about the synthetic clothes which we wear. Synthetic clothes are, children, cheaper also. It is of different color and designs. These clothes are of man-made fiber. These clothes are of man-made fibers and people wear these clothes easily. Children, we get different colors and designs of synthetic clothes. Now children, I am going to tell you that who weaves our clothes? Who weaves our clothes? A weaver weaves the cloth. You can see the picture of a person who is weaving the cloth. And here is a machine. With the help of this machine, he is a weaver who is weaving the clothes. So in this way, children, clothes are woven. Is it clear to you, children? Now you can see a picture of tailor. This person is a tailor and he is having a sewing machine. You can see here the old person is having the sewing machine and he is doing what, children? He is stitching the clothes. So a tailor stitches our clothes. You can see in picture that how this person is stitching the clothes. Another picture you can see here, children. This person is doing what? This person is washing the clothes. What is he doing? Washing the clothes. So who is he? He is a washerman. Who washes our clothes, children? A washerman washes our clothes. He washes our clothes and iron our clothes. This person, you can see, he is ironing our clothes. He irons our clothes. So in this way, children, both the person are washermen. Both are what? They are washermen. And what is the function of, what is the work of washerman? The work of the washerman is to wash and iron our clothes. So children, you know a weaver weaves our cloth. I have shown you the picture of the weaver. A tailor stitches our clothes. I have shown you a person who is stitching the cloth. And this is the picture of sewing machine. You might have seen the picture of this sewing machine. And here a washerman washes and iron our clothes. Is it clear to you, children? Okay, children. Now, children, we will do A and B part of exercise in the book. We will do A and B part of exercise in book. Now, children, I will send photo of this exercise to all of you. I will send photo of this exercise to all of you because many of you are not having books right now. So for your convenience, I will send photo of the exercise. प्यारे बच्चों, मैं इस एक्सरसाइज का फोटो खींचकर आप लोगों को सेंड कर दूंगा, आप लोगों को भेज दूंगा। क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों ने अभी तक किताबें नहीं खरीदी, उनके पास किताबें नहीं हैं या वो अपने घर से बाहर गांव चले गए हैं, तो उनकी सुविधा के लिए मैं इस एक्सरसाइज का फोटो भेज दूंगा। Children, now let us discuss the exercise A part. Choose the correct word from the help box to fill in the blanks. Here is a help box and you have to find the correct word and fill up the blanks. Children, you see here. First, dash, clothes are worn in summers. So which type of clothes are worn in summer? Summer means गर्मी। गर्मी के दिनों में हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? Which type of clothes are worn in summers? You find from the help box. Definitely it will be cotton. It will be what? C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton clothes are worn in summers. Children, C-O-T-T-O-N. This is the correct spelling of cotton. Cotton clothes are worn in summers. The next one, children. We wear a dash in the school. So you also wear in the school. What do you wear in the school? Definitely, children, you come in school uniform. So here the correct option will be what? The correct option will be this one. That is uniform. So you have to find the correct word from the help box to fill up the blanks. So we will write here what? Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. This is the correct spelling of uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Now next one, children. And dash is used in rainy season. What do we use in rainy season, children? I have shown you this picture also. Here is what? This is an umbrella. This is the picture of what, children? An umbrella. So here, children, you will write what? You will write an is here and you have to write umbrella. Umbrella का मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? छाता. तो an umbrella is used in rainy season. तो what we will write here? Umbrella. U M B R E double L A. You can see the correct spelling here also, children. U M B R E double L. Now, children, an umbrella is used in rainy season. Now, next one, children. We should never hurt animals for their. हमें जानवरों को कभी परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. क्यों? We should never hurt animals for their. What will be the correct option here, children? From the help box, the correct word from the help box will be skin. We get skin from the animals, जिससे लेदर के सामान बनते, चमड़े के सामान बनते हैं. तो we should never hurt animals for their. What will be right here? Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. You can see here the spelling of skin. S-K-I-N. Now next one, children. We get dash from sheep. We get dash from sheep. So what we get from sheep? We get wool from sheep. What do we get from the sheep? We get wool from the sheep, and from wool we get woolen clothes which we wear in winter season. So here the correct word will be W-O-O-L. This is the correct spelling of this word, W-O-O-L. Children, you can see the picture of these items also. Here you can see, children, umbrella, wool. You can see here in this photo. You can see here the cotton clothes. So children, in this way, your A part, choose the correct word from the help box to fill in the blanks. We have completed. We have completed A part, and the options are: in first you have to fill up cotton, second you have to fill up uniform, third you have to fill up umbrella, in fourth you have to fill up skin, and in fifth you have to fill up wool. Now children, we will move to B part of the exercise. In the B part of the exercise, you see the example and make pair of these clothes. You have to make pair of these clothes. This is the example, salwar kameez. In first there is example salwar kameez already given here. In second you have to make pair. So what will be the pair of the in second, children? Let us see from the options. Here you can see the picture also, children. This is the picture of what? This is the picture of kameez. This is the picture of dhoti. This is the picture of sari. This is the picture of trouser. This is the picture of kurta. This is the picture of shirt. This is the picture of blouse. So in this way, children, you can fill up this pair. You can make the pair. First, children, pant. Pant, shirt. P-A-N-T, pant, shirt. In third one, children, we will fill what? Dhoti, D-H-O-T-I. Dhoti, that's K-U-R-T. We wear, children, in second, pant, shirt. This is the pair of the clothes. In the same way, in third one, we wear dhoti kurta. Dhoti kurta is the pair of the cloth. And now next is children, shari. Dash blouse. Sari blouse is the pair of clothes. In this way, children, we have completed B part, in which we have to make pair of these clothes. With the help of these pictures also you can understand in a better way to make the pair. Is it clear to you, children? Now, children, we will discuss about the question answer. We will discuss about the question answer of chapter 4, our clause. And I have given you the name C part. You have to answer the following questions, children, and these questions have been prepared by me, and you have to write the answer of these questions in your notebook. Children, question number 1. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes, children? The correct answer will be what? We wear clothes to cover our body. Once again, I am repeating the question. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Question number 2. Why do we wear different types of clothes in different seasons? अलग अलग तरह के कपड़े हम अलग अलग सीजन्स में क्यों पहनते हैं बच्चे? तो आंसर इज इट प्रोटेक्ट्स फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, रेन, विंड, डर्ट एंड डस्ट. यह हमें गर्मी, ठंडक, बारिश, हवा, धूल और गंदगी से बचाता है. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. इट प्रोटेक्ट्स फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, रेन, विंड, डर्ट एंड डस्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 चलिए. Question number 3 is, which type of clothes we wear in summer season? हम गर्मी के दिनों में कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? The answer is, children, we wear cotton clothes to cool our body. हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? सूती कपड़े पहनते हैं. क्यों पहनते हैं? अपने शरीर को ठंडक देने के लिए, आराम देने के लिए. We wear cotton clothes to cool our body. This is the answer of this question number 3. Now question number 4. Which types of clothes we wear in winter season? Children, जाड़े के दिनों में हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? Answer will be, children, we wear woolen clothes to keep us warm. हम जाड़े के दिनों में गर्म कपड़े पहनते हैं, ऊनी कपड़े पहनते हैं, ऊन से बने कपड़े पहनते हैं, जिससे कि हमें हमारे शरीर को गर्मी मिलती रहे, हमारा शरीर गर्म रहे. So the answer of question number 4 will be, children, we wear woolen clothes to keep us warm. Now, next question, children. Question number 5. Which type of clothes we wear in rainy season? बारिश के दिनों में हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? I have shown you the photo also, picture also. Children, the answer will be, we wear plastic clothes to protect from रेन. हम बारिश के दिनों प्लास्टिक के कपड़े पहनते हैं, जिससे कि हमें बारिश से बचाव हो, इससे हम बारिश में भीगे नहीं. तो चिल्ड्रेन, द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज वी वियर प्लास्टिक क्लोथ्स टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम रेन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, चिल्ड्रेन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हाउ डू वी गेट सिल्क? हमें सिल्क कहाँ से मिलता है? आई हैव शोन यू द फोटो ऑल्सो, चिल्ड्रेन. वी गेट सिल्क फ्रॉम सिल्क वर्म. हमें सिल्क वर्म से मिलता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, चिल्ड्रेन, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हाउ डू वी गेट सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ्स. हमें सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ्स कैसे मिलते हैं? चिल्ड्रेन, इट इज ए मैन मेड फाइबर. सिंथेटिक इज ए मैन मेड फाइबर थ्रू विच सिंथेटिक क्लोथ्स आर मेड. तो वी गेट इट इज ए मैन मेड फाइबर थ्रू विच सिंथेटिक क्लोथ्स वी गेट. Next question, children, question number 8. Who weaves our cloth? A weaver weaves our cloth. Already I have shown you in this picture also, a weaver weaves the cloth. So who weaves the cloth? A weaver weaves our cloth. Who stitches our clothes, children? So here I have shown you in the picture also. A tailor stitches our clothes. So you have to write here in your answer. A tailor stitches our clothes. Now, next question, children. Who washes and iron our clothes? हमारे कपड़े कौन धोते हैं और हमारे कपड़े को लोहा कौन करते हैं? स्त्री जिसे हम कहते हैं वो कौन करते हैं? A washerman washes and iron our clothes. You can see in this picture also a washerman washes and iron our clothes. So children, the answer of question number 10 will be a washerman washes and iron our clothes. So children, now for your convenience, children, I am sending photo of the question answer of this chapter also. You have to write the answer of this question in your notebook. Children, here is your classwork. You have to, your classwork is, children, draw the pictures of plastic clothes and write their names. You have to draw the pictures of plastic clothes and you have to write their names. Now your homework is, children, write and learn A, B part of exercise which we have discussed. You have to write and learn A, B part of the exercise in your notebook or copy. Okay children, that's all for the day. Thank you.